1,670 pounds. 4 athletes must pick up that apparatus and walk as far as they can. So far, the tournament record set by Team Germany, 28.66 meters. Up first, Team USA and Team Iceland is Team Iceland!
Team Iceland looks to get back on the winning track after opening up with 3 consecutive victories. Has let Team USA get back into this competition. Now, Team Iceland has the European powerlifting champion in Odin Jonsson and Iceland's strongest man in Magnus Magnusson.
Tournament city is Germany, 28.66.
Team Iceland alerted of Team Germany's record-setting pace of just over 28 meters.
Okay.
Up next, Team Iceland! Come on, we'll start giving up for them.
Team Iceland has elected to go with Gudmundur Gudmundsson
Okay, Team
and
Iceland.
Odin Jonsson in the back, while Magnus Magnusson and Jan Valgeir will move up front. Simply because they are 6'3" and 6'5".
Your own time.
You've got to find a spot for the 5'9" Odin Jonsson.
One.
Very important to work together here. 1,675
Smooth start from Team Iceland.
Come on, we're starting.
A little bit of a misstep from Gudmundsson. They regather nicely.
Come on, Team Iceland.
Valgeir starting to lose it and goes to his knees.
And that will be the mark. Big round of applause for Team Iceland.
7.71 meters for Team Iceland in the dory walk.
Last time it was 6 something. Are you happy with that walk?
No, I'm never happy with things I can't finish. But I think, I don't know, we need to learn something from the German team. We need to go to Germany and figure out how to synchronize, because it started to go and
Yeah, I noticed that. Yeah, you guys did good. That's better than last time. You beat your own record.